Hi crafters, it's Hannah from HanCrafted Creations. Welcome to my channel today. So today I want to share this mini album with you. So the tutorial for this album is coming up, so I thought I would just give you a quick overview of the album so you can see what we can make together. So this is what this is what the front looks like. So I've used the Share What You Love suite, which can be found on page 177, I believe, of the catalogue. So let me just quickly show you. Here you Share What You Love. So we're going to be using the paper and a couple of the embellishments and the stamp set on the front cover. So this is the front cover. I've just done a little bit of stamping on the front cover. So we open it up, and our first page we've got a belly band and just a little stopper at the bottom, so whatever you put inside doesn't fall out. Then onto the next page we've got a little pocket here, and I've just made some tags to go in there. Then this opens out, and then you've got another little stopper there, and that closes with a magnet, so whatever you put inside will be kept secure. Onto page 2 we've got two little pockets here and just some tags that I've made. Then this opens up, and you've got a nice big page that you can put some pictures and up there as well, and that closes with a magnet. Turn the page over, and then you've got a flap that opens up top and bottom like so, and I've just made a little booklet to go inside. Then this opens up, and you've got another double page spread and a little tuck spot there that I've just stamping up Statement of the Heart and popped in there. And then our third page, you've got a big belly band down the middle, but then you also have a little secret pocket just there that you can put things in as well. So you've got your belly band and your little secret pocket that is the length of the belly band, which I love. So you could put your little secrets in there, and then turn over and we have another pocket and a little booklet there. Then this opens out and out again, so we've got a big spread here and then a little pocket with some tags in, and this closes with a magnet. This closes over, and then on the back page we've got another pocket there that I've just made a little booklet to go in there. So it's a very easy album to actually put together, so I'm sure you'll have fun making it. So stay tuned and we will get started.